everybody, Jamie at shopmask.com. So we are in the thick of the holiday shopping season, just a couple weeks left, actually less than a couple weeks left until Christmas Day. So people are down to those last few gifts, hopefully, if you're on top of things. If you're not, or if you even are, we just wanted to give you a quick little run through of what we have in the shop that make for great gifts. Perhaps you're sort of at a time crunch and you can't make it into the shop and you want to buy online. And then even if you are buying online, maybe you don't have time to look through everything that we have on the site because there is a lot of stuff. So yeah, I'll just show you a few little great gift ideas that we have that make for good stocking stuffers or something bigger. So first of all, Mal and Guts, they have a few nice little sets here. These little duos for face, body, and hair make great gifts. They also have the more substantial skincare essentials kit. So if you know someone who's a diehard Mal and Guts fan, this could make a great gift. Their candles and votives also always make a great gift. Lots of different scents to choose from. So that's number one. Moving along here to number two, I would say would be our fragrance walls. So some of these are more higher price points. So for that extra special gift, if you know what they want, one of these could be good. But if you want something a little bit more on the lower side price point wise, something a little bit more affordable, these solid colognes make a great gift. Excellent stocking stuffer, several different scents to choose from, and they smell amazing. Unique gifts, a solid wax based cologne. Also these really cool incense pyres that come in this cool jar, looks like that. It makes a great gift as well. What else? Hair products. Guys take their hair care seriously, in case you didn't know. So if you have someone who has a list of what they want, then maybe one of these is the one to get, because this makes a good stocking stuffer as well. Moving along to our little shaving section here. So shave sets are a really popular gift this time of year. Could be something as simple as just a shave brush and a cream, or you could do one of the more sort of deluxe sets on the front there. Lots of stuff still arriving this week and next week, so we'll have more options coming soon. And then beard care, I guess that would be another big category for the beard man in your life. Lots of different oils, creams, balms, shampoos, conditioners, even some combs in another section in the store. So lots of bearded options. What else? Oh, right, the masks. These Barber Pro Masks, these make great stocking stuffers. Really good price point, $12 to $13 depending on the specific mask. But not only are they a good stocking stuffer, but they actually work really well. So if you're looking for a cool little thing to add in, that would be a nice option. And then this is our little bath care section. So lots of bath bombs, bath soaks, bubble baths. We have a limited edition one right here called Tannenbaum. This is specifically for Christmas. So it's got like I'm just gonna steal it for a sec, Patrick. I'm trying to see read what the notes are here. Peppermint, clove, juniper berry, pine. So it's very festive. Oh right, Margaret Toothpaste, another great stocking stuffer. This is our cult following toothpaste, made in Italy. Amazing flavors. Looks great in the bathroom too, so it's a win-win all around. And then perhaps last, but certainly not least, Grown Alchemist, which is one of our newer brands. They have some really, really cool hand and body care sets. I'll bring them down so you can see it. Looks like that. So this particular one is a body wash and a body moisturizer. Really cool limited edition packaging. So for someone extra special, that could be a good thing to pick up. And yeah, a couple sets as well over here. This is the last thing I'll mention to you. We do have some pre-made sets from some of our brands. So Jack Black has some skincare, shave care, beard care sets. Also the little 3-pack of lip balms, which is always a popular one every year. And then Marvis as well has some sets. So yeah, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Everything's available online, shopmask.com. And of course, if you don't remember everything I said, just watch the video 100 times and then you'll remember it all. Thanks for listening.